cool Sony Digital Recorder went through the washer and the dryer. So I left it in my pocket by mistake. And I didn't turn it on yet to see if it's going to work. Think it's going to work? You'll see here. You'll find out when I find out. The door's popped open. It won't seem to close right. Maybe the heat from the dryer. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, it works. Alright, we'll turn it on and see if it works. Wouldn't that be amazing if it did? No. Oh no. Hold that down. Alright, how about if I stick it on the charger, see if that'll jump start it. Let me get my little charger over here. That's another reason why I like this, because you just slide this out. Here's your charger. And it holds charge for a long time. Plug this into one of your power blocks and plug it into an outlet. Come back to life. No. No. Stick in a bowl of rice. Well, the dryer heat might have killed it. Plus the water. I like this. I'll get another one. But in the meantime, I'll have to use my standby mini Dicta Pro. That didn't go through the wash yet. Smaller. Look at that. Hold the power button. Welcome. Testing. Oops. Testing. 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 Oops. Testing. Okay. Sorry, Sony. That was a bunch of baloney sending you through the wash. I like that thing. Okay. Thanks for watching. Check your pockets before you do the wash. See ya.